If you love camping but also enjoy some comfort and convenience, a travel trailer can be the ultimate choice. Whether you want to explore the desert, the mountains, or the forest, these trailers and caravans will let you camp anywhere you want with style and ease. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy our video on the 7 travel trailers and off-roading caravans for extreme camping. The Lotus Off Grid Caravan is a high-quality vehicle designed for comfortable and practical living on the road. With its robust build quality and Cooper all-terrain tires, the van can handle any terrain with ease. Families can enjoy the caravan's 4 bunk beds and spacious living areas, complete with a premium awning for outdoor relaxation. Hygiene and cleanliness are maintained thanks to the full-size shower, toilet, and washing machine. The children's room features deep cabinets and USB charging points for their devices. The living space boasts a modern kitchen with plenty of storage, a full oven, cooktop, microwave, and a 188-liter freezer. The caravan also features a bike rack, a big storage box off the front, and 3 170-watt solar panels that keep the 2 100-amp power AGM batteries fully charged up. The GNS chassis and fully independent suspension, along with top-quality BF Goodrich rubber, make towing the van easy, even with just a 3.5-ton towing capacity. Overall, the Lotus Off Grid Caravan provides a comfortable and spacious living environment for those seeking the freedom and adventure of life on the road. The Kokoda Caravans Commando F226 is a premium caravan that offers comfort and luxury for your travels. Its body is constructed with insulated composite panels made of fiberglass, including the walls, front, rear, and roof, ensuring durability and protection against harsh weather conditions. The Tough Ride 3.5T Level 4 airbag system provides a smooth and stable ride, even on rough terrain, thanks to an onboard compressor and tank suspension. The Commando also features an electric awning with internal controls or remote operation. The caravan is fitted with 17-inch Mickey Thompson Off-Road MT tires, providing excellent grip and traction off-road. The king bed features a foam contoured mattress, while 2 bunks provide additional sleeping options. The full en-suite includes a spacious shower, a separate toilet, and a basin with storage. The en-suite also features a first-of-its-kind laundry chute with external access located next to the washing machine. The kitchen is well equipped with an induction cooktop, a spacious prep area, a slide-out half pantry, a large sink with a pull-down spray tap and flick mixer, and DomeTech compressor fridge. The Commando also has plenty of storage options, slide-out rubbish bins, and spacious living with gracious seating and a dining table, making it perfect for families who love luxury and comfort while exploring the great outdoors. The Conqueror Urban Escape Vehicle, also known as UEV, is an exceptional off-road caravan that promises luxury and comfort in equal measure. With a strong and rugged exterior design, the UEV-25 has been designed to take on the toughest terrains while providing an unforgettable camping experience. Constructed using a lightweight aluminum frame and ultra-light reinforced composite panels, this trailer features an all-new suspension system, independent D-arm with coil and double shock absorbers, which ensures smooth rides on rough terrains. This system has been designed to deliver uncompromising performance, even in the harshest of conditions. The UEV-25 also boasts a 270-degree Insta-awning, which shades the rear and kitchen area. This unique feature has been designed with an integrated drop-down pole system that makes it easy to set up within a few minutes. This ensures that you have ample space to relax and enjoy your surroundings. Inside the UEV-25, there's a front island double bed and side fold-out double bed, both of which are designed to provide maximum comfort and relaxation. The Caravan also features an internal bathroom, complete with a shower and toilet, ensuring that you can have a refreshing bath after a long day of outdoor activities. Overall, the Conqueror UEV-25 sets a new standard for off-road caravans, delivering luxury, comfort, and performance in equal measure. The Opus OP15 is a versatile and reliable camper that's designed and tested in Australia for overlanding and extended trips. One of its key features is its compact, towable design that opens up to a spacious living area. The pull-out kitchen is equipped with a 4-burner stove with piezo ignition, a stainless steel dish rack, hot and cold water provided by the Truma Combi, and a lockable pantry. The Opus O15 also features an 8-foot manual crank awning that covers the kitchen and entertainment area, which includes a TV and outdoor speakers. It comes with a variety of features to make your journey smoother, such as a lock and roll hitch that allows for 360 degrees of movement in 3 different planes, an emergency brake, a standard 7-way plug and breakaway cable, and strong safety chains. The Opus O15 also includes dual propane tanks, additional water tank storage, and space for fuel cells. The tongue jack allows for quick movements, and there is a magnetic handle that can be tossed inside the trailer when not in use. Overall, the Opus O15 is a well-designed and rugged camper that is perfect for those seeking adventure on the road. Arkto Campers G12 is a sturdy and flexible camper trailer tailored for off-road expeditions. It has a hot-dip galvanized steel frame and a laser-cut and formed C-channel that ensures stability. The Timbren axle-less HD suspension system that maximizes ground clearance. The big tires and wheels of the vehicle allows it to go over bumpy ground without difficulty. The camper trailer has a residential queen-size bed measuring 60 inches wide by 80 inches long and an optional bench that can be used as a 3rd sleeping area. The latest addition is an L-shaped sleeping area that comfortably accommodates 2 adults and 2 children by connecting the single seat to the bench. The G12 has 3 windows, 2 on the canvas sides and 1 with a top hinge style that can be opened from the top or bottom, providing extra airflow. The aluminum powder-coated cabinetry has locking latches, 3 large drawers, and 4 upper cabinets, plus a wardrobe and cubby that offer ample storage space for personal belongings. Overall, Arkto Campers G12 is a convenient and comfortable camper trailer that's perfect for exploring off-the-beaten-path destinations. The Bruder EXP-6 is a luxurious off-road expedition trailer designed for exploring secluded destinations with ease. Its patented suspension allows the trailer to traverse deep ruts and off-road undulations comfortably, with 12 inches of adjustable wheel travel. The suspension incorporates 8 monotube remote canister shock absorbers and 4 wheel ventilator disc brakes for maximum stopping power. Unique to Bruder, the EXP-6 body is independently structurally engineered, and the chassis is engineered to handle forces up to 11 tons and completely sealed so that debris can't be caught within it. The EXP-6 is available in 2 formats: GT models with a taller fixed roofline and a standard EXP-6 with a lower roofline that utilizes the Bruder patented electronic roof lift. The trailer is also equipped with a carbon fiber pressurizing system with 2 stages of filtration to provide positive air pressure into the cabin in dusty conditions. With storage throughout the interior, power and charging points, and even a bathroom, the EXP-6 can sleep up to 6 people, making it the most insulated trailer in its class. The Swag SCT-18 is a triple bunk family model caravan that offers everything you need to go off-grid with your family. It's a touring van that can fit a family of 5. The kitchen is designed with a 75-liter dual-zone fridge, 2 massive pantry systems, a utility drawer, a cutlery drawer, and a 4-burner gas stove. The hot water tap is permanently connected, and the kitchen has a really handy little kitchen rack. The Swag SCT-18 has ample lighting, a whole heap of external lighting, a massive big 5-meter awning, and a full swing arm independent suspension with heavy-duty springs and shocks. This touring caravan is perfect for families who are looking to go on a much bigger trip and enjoy the outdoors with all the amenities of a home. Okay, that was our 5th video on the 7 travel trailers and off-road camping caravans for extreme camping. Let us know your favorite pick in the comments section, as we'd love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.